Good morning, boys and girls. If you are a regular subscriber to the channel, then sorry for the recent radio silence. It's been pretty chaotic. We've had a whole load of COVID-19 in the UK. Pretty much everything was shut down. You know, everyone being furloughed from work and all that sort of stuff. So I basically took some time out, took some time off, hung out with the family, did a few other little bits and bobs, jobs around the garden, that sort of thing. Things are starting to ease up now and I am going to be getting back to work. As you can see, the car is pretty full. I've got a job that I'm doing. It's actually for a different client, so it's not work on my own house. So if you're only here for the extension stuff, then this probably isn't going to interest you all that much. But there's a lot to do there. So I'm going to show you how you go about cleaning up external fascia, repainting and fixing up. I'm going to show you how to do a bit of pointing. We're going to be building a staircase as well, just a small one. It sounds very grand, it's not. It's basically the steps down into a cellar, hence all of these big timbers. And I'll show you how to cut the stringers and how to put the treads on, all that sort of stuff, just for a very basic staircase. Nothing too fancy or expensive, but still good quality and sturdy, and it will last, so that's good. So yeah, my car is completely packed out because I don't have a van, and I've got all of my tools and then all of the stuff for the job. So yeah, it's going to be busy. I'm driving all this kit over to the job now, and then we're going to be starting work on Monday. So stay tuned and we will show you some of the bits and what we've got on.